Imagine this. You wake up early, you check your phone, salary came, and before the month even starts, your mind is already calculating bills, rent, food, family, unexpected expenses, and somewhere deep inside, you wonder, am I going to live like this forever? Most people don't realize this until it's too late. Working harder doesn't always mean moving forward. You see others online talking about freedom, passive income, financial peace, but it feels far away, maybe even fake. Stay with me, because at the end, I'll show you the one realization that changes everything and explains why even smart, hardworking people stay broke for years without understanding why. And no, this isn't about scams or overnight success. This is about real life. Let's be honest. Today, many people work full-time but still feel stressed about money. Salary finishes quickly. Unexpected expenses ruin plans. You scroll social media and compare your life to others. Somehow, everyone looks successful except you. You're not lazy, you're not careless, you're just stuck in a system that rewards constant effort but rarely teaches financial peace. And here's the painful part. Most people believe the problem is their salary, but this is not the real problem. Let's make this easy. Passive income does not mean money appears magically. It means you do work once, and that work keeps helping you earn slowly over time. Think of it like planting a tree. You water it in the beginning. It takes patience, but later it gives shade without extra effort every day. Passive income is simply building small systems that continue working, even when you rest. And the next part is where most people fail. Let me tell you about a normal guy. Let's call him Ahmed. Ahmed had a basic office job, nothing special. Every month he said the same thing. When salary increases, life will improve. But salary increased and stress increased too. He bought things to feel better after long workdays, small purchases, food deliveries, new gadgets. Nothing crazy, just normal habits. One day, his company reduced hours. Income dropped. That moment scared him. He didn't suddenly become rich or start some crazy business. He just started learning small ways to make money that didn't require trading time for every rupee. What happened next changed everything. Not fast, but slowly. These are realistic, slow, honest, beginner-friendly. 1. Digital products. Simple templates, guides, or planners. Create once, sell many times. 2. Educational content. YouTube videos, blogs, or tutorials. They take effort now, but can keep earning later. 3. Print-on-demand designs. Designed once, platforms handle printing and shipping. 4. Affiliate recommendations. Sharing tools or products you genuinely use. You earn small commissions. 5. Simple skill-based assets. For example, Excel sheets, budget trackers, or design packs. 6. Renting something you already own. Equipment, tools, even a spare room. Small income adds up. 7. Automated small online services, like templates, mini courses, or downloadable resources. Notice something? None of these promise fast money. They reward patience. And the last step is the most powerful. If you want to start, keep it simple. Track your money for 30 days. Know where it goes. Most people are surprised. Reduce emotional spending. Don't buy to escape stress. Save a small percentage first. Even 5% matters. Consistency beats size. Choose one skill or idea. Don't try everything at once. Build slowly. 30 minutes daily is enough. Think in years, not weeks. Passive income grows quietly. But here's what nobody tells you. Poor mindset says, my salary is the problem. I'll start when I have more money. Finance is too complicated. Rich mindset says,
I am responsible for learning. Small actions today change tomorrow. Money must be managed intentionally. Passive income is not about money first. It's about mindset. And now, the big realization from the beginning. The truth is, passive income doesn't make you rich overnight. It gives you peace. Because even when a small amount comes in without constant effort, you stop feeling trapped. You breathe easier. You make calmer decisions. You stop chasing quick fixes and start building a stable life. That's why smart people stay broke. They wait for big opportunities instead of building small systems early. You don't need to change everything today. Just start one small step. And 6 months from now, you'll thank yourself. This video is for educational purposes only. If this helped you, leave a like so more people can see it. Subscribe for more honest finance lessons. And in the comments, tell me, what's your biggest money struggle right now? Remember, slow progress is still progress. I'll see you in the next video.